I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and structuring data so charts reflect reality. Remove blanks and mismatched types. Once done, select the range and press Ctrl+T to convert it to a table. This gives you live ranges and makes formulas simpler. Make sure headers are precise and units consistent so Excel assigns axes correctly. You want dates as real date types and numbers as numeric, otherwise Excel will treat them as text and charts won't plot. Next, add a short helper column for categories if needed. Now build the chart. Select the table columns you want to visualize and go to Insert, then Recommended Charts to preview options. Pick the chart type that matches your message: line for time trends, column for comparisons, stacked for parts of a whole. Once placed, use chart filters to include or exclude series and format axes. Set number formats, scales, and tick intervals. Add concise data labels, avoid clutter. Use the Format pane to adjust colors for accessibility and consistency with your report. Finish by refining labels and interactivity. Link the chart title to a cell for dynamic headings, resize for readability, and add a legend only when it aids interpretation. If you need interactive views, insert slicers tied to the table or use timeline for dates. Once done, slice to test. Make sure to refresh or edit the table when data changes so the chart updates automatically. If something breaks, check for text-formatted numbers, blank header rows, or hidden filters that remove series from view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.